Vande Mataram everyone. I'm Gargi Jaju
And I'm Anya Sharma.
from class 10th.
Standing here to talk about one of our greatest leader in our country.
Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, also known as the Iron Man of India.
He was born on 31st October 1875 in Nadiad, Gujarat. He was from a simple farmer's family.
From his childhood, he always showed strong determination and strong will, through which he always achieved whatever he wanted to. After completing his education in India, he went to England to study law and then became a successful lawyer.
But soon he realized that his real purpose was to serve the nation, not only himself. Inspired by Mahatma Gandhi, he led the Kheda and Satyagraha movement. He joined the Indian freedom movement, in which he fought for farmers' rights through non-violence.
Leadership shows us that he earned the title of Sardar, which means leader. He always believed that strength comes from unity and discipline.
After India gained independence in 1947, the country was divided into 560 princely states, in which the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was the only one who united them all with love, firmness, and wisdom.
He also played a major role in creating the Indian administrative services through which he ensured smooth governance. It was Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's true nature, strong determination, and sense of duty still continues to inspire many Indians. We should always remember his message. Main power without unity is not a strength unless it is harmonized and united properly.
Let's follow his path and stay as proud Indians.
Thank you.
Thank you. Jai Hind.